candy. Take this drill. Let's do this. There's one. There's two. Okay, one more. One more. Now what we have is cam lights right here. Show you what got going on. The push-ins, and I even have plastic grommets for here. Push-in, and they snap and release. They have springs on this. So that's what we got. And I'll show you what I mean by push-ins. You open it up, right here. All your ground, your hot, and your neutral ground push in. It's like plug and play. Now I'm gonna pull out the wires. See? How this is done, Jeffy? Don't wheel louder yet. Look, you got extra wire. See that? Look. I need you to make mark over here. Okay. I got 21, 21, all 21s is our number. That's the magic number. Get these hooked up. right here. You gotta pop this out. Okay. Right here, you get these pushings for the wire.
You want to screw this in?
Yeah, hold on.
I didn't have a knife. A tool.
It doesn't like.
Travel.
Yeah.
Where?
Right here. Okay, I'll take that.
No. Right in there.
Right this way. Oh, I thought you were looking for utility.
I had it when you screw that up.
There we go, that's all snapped in.
Gotta help it.
Okay. Show you how this works. See these wires? So here's a white pushes. Just push that baby in. So, I mean, that's it too. There's white. Okay. Here's my black. There's a push in also. Hear that? Right in. Then my ground. And I always make that shorter. Let me cut that real quick. Make our ground shorter. Just because it can't neutral off. Or hot. Get tangled in with the hot. Try to get my, hold on. Just try to get it in there. There we go. There's our ground. There's our white. And then our black. There you go. And there you have it. Snap, snap. Fits right up in here.